So yes, welcome back to the same lecture of 8085 where we were trying to perform or execute the program of descending order, right? So let us try to again reload the program and then check whether it's working or not. So we'll start with this. So we have started to put it from reset substitute memory 6200, this memory location, and we'll be loading this program. So this is now 21. Next, reset substitute memory 6200, 2100. Then it is having 66110065, then 46210066, then 4E23 7E 23BE D21462 7E 0D, and then we are having, say, yeah, C2 0E6212 CD0063. Now here we have written INXD. So we have made it, earlier we have made it 23. That's why it was not working. So it is now 13. Now 05 C2 0762, and last is 76, right? So this is the main program that we need to draw. Then substitute memory for the subroutine 6300. We'll move over here. Yes. So again, we'll load 0066 HL pair, then move M2C, that is 4E, INX as 23, BE, jump F0 CA, 0D63, then 0D, yes, C20463. Okay, hold for a second. Yes, so so 0463, now 3E00, and then we are having lastly 77C9. Yes, so we have done with this. Then we have to load with the data, that is 600. So this is 05, and yeah, 05. Next is 54, then EB, then 85, and 9B A8. Sorry, A8. So this is A8, right? So this is over there. Then reset substitute memory 6500 Yes, done with this. So we'll check it now. Reset, go 6200, and execute. Yes, it's been executed. Reset substitute memory 65000, EB A8 9B 85 and 54. Yeah, we got it. We got the result over here. Again, I will check it. Reset substitute memory 6600. What is there? So this is the counter, and these all are become 00 now. If you are able to see, up to 5, they have all become to 0. So now this program is working. Just we have loaded that increment D as 23. That's why it was not working, but now it's working, right? So I guess you can go through that and go through the program and check it on yourself. So thank you for joining it again. I have loaded this program, and we have worked. So you can do that for another programs also, right? So load your own data over there and then try for that. So it is actually a descending order. Similarly, the same program can be used for ascending order. Just minor changes are there to do, and if you go through those changes, you will be able to make it for ascending order also. So we are having two programs, ascending and descending order, right? So go through those, and there are two more programs in a list where we need to find odd and even, and then we have to arrange it in ascending and descending also. So in the same program, we have to do all the works. We have to check for odd and even, we have to check for the ascending and descending of order also. So all that is to be done. So they are to be clubbed together, right? So how you are going to club it? You have a full vacation of winter from, say, tomorrow onwards to up to 14th of January. So by that time, I guess you can do those programs. 4 or 5 programs are left. You just need to club over there and use the same concept and logic to arrange them, right? So thank you very much. What happened, Shobit?
Sir, I just heard about the holidays.
No, don't worry. Even if you want me to say you want to teach me, na, you can call me at any time and I can teach you the programming. So it doesn't make sense because it's online itself. So we can go from home also, right? So don't worry about anything. If you have any difficulties or anything, you can go on the ask on the group and just let me know. You want me to take the class, so I will be taking those classes also. So you don't worry, right? So no doubts. Thank you very much for joining it again. For this, just a simple mistake, and we have done with it. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe, and see you soon.